Today let's talk about how to use the SoFi bonus interest promo. Now in order to get the interest promo or the additional 0.70 APY, you'll need to first of all open a new SoFi checkings or a savings account either through the online banking platform, or you can also do this process within the mobile app. As I said, this helps to activate the additional 0.70% APY and can also elevate your rates up to 3.80 APY. So meeting these same direct deposit requirements, such as you need to directly deposit up to $400 from anywhere from $50 to $400 in order to earn the higher interest. In order to collect your payments once you have received those higher interests, you'll be able to do it within the collect payout section. So SoFi helps to deposit your cash bonus directly into your checkings or savings account within 7 business days. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.